Welcome to my Rochelle Family. I'm Vanessa. This is baby Lana. And this is Maya.
That's Rochelle.
Today I'm going to do a short and sweet review and demonstration on how to use the Snugglebundl. So I'm going to show you the Snugglebundl blanket. Made from 100% organic cotton. The Snugglebundl blanket makes it easier and safer for you to travel with your baby. It's for young babies from newborn to 6 months old or when they start outgrowing it. Lana is the youngest baby. Yeah, she's 16 weeks old and she's outgrowing the Snugglebundl now. So we thought it would be a perfect time to talk about this product. This is our honest review from our personal experience of using this product. We've had this for 7 years now, from when we had Rochelle 7.
And then Maya.
And then Maya.
And then Leo,
who's sleeping. And now Lana has it. And since all that time, we've been putting it in the washing machine and it still looks almost brand new. I'm going to actually show you. I'm going to put baby safely in her seat. There you go, Baba.
Even the seat as well, wasn't it?
We've had the seat for 7 years as well. There you go, Baba.
What are you trying to say, little Lana?
Hey.
Can we just quickly record this? Yes?
No thread has come out. The stitching is good. No wear and tear for 7 years. So, completely happy with this product. You put the baby's head here. Good strong support for the baby. So first I'm going to show you as baby's in the seat. Yes. Yes. Yes, baby. You want to sit up now, don't you? So you can cover baby like this to keep them warm. Or if they want to play with something, you can just cover them with the Snugglebundl. Yes. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. I'm going to put baby's head in that space. Stretch this out. It's okay. And you cover baby like this. You put the arms in. That's okay. Right now she doesn't want to go in it. It's okay. Shh. Let's calm baby because she's a bit upset right now. I'm going to hold her like this. And I'm going to rock her. Hello. There you go. Again. Just again. Lift her up.
That's so cute.
And this is so useful if you're still recovering from the postpartum period because you don't want to bend down too much because of all the pain and aches that you can get. So, Daddy's just going to hold it. If they're a bit upset, you can also use this to calm your baby down. There we go. You can swaddle baby by doing this. It's okay. It's okay. 1, 2. Use the straps on the side. And tie. It's okay. Okay. I'm going to lift you up now, okay? It's okay. It's okay. You just want to be held by Mama? Huh? Nice and snug in here. If you want to breastfeed, you can. And discreetly breastfeed your baby. Also, this is safe to use for the pram or for a car seat. I'll lift this up. Hello, Baba. There you go. So that's our quick review on the Snugglebundl. I would 100% recommend this product. If you have any questions or you want to contact me, leave your comments in the description box below. Take care, see you soon. Bye.